Hi, this is Linda Welsh from Linda Welsh Realty Group at Compass. Happy January. Nice to have 2025 starting up and with all the promise that we have for the new year. 2024 was a challenging year for a lot of people, for a lot of buyers and sellers, and for realtors as well. So I wanted to answer a question that we are asked every day, and that is, what is the best time of year to sell my home? Well, actually, the best time of year for you to sell your home is when you're ready to move. People seldom sell their home by testing the market. Maybe in years ago, that was something that people might have considered, but nowadays, people sell their home, for a reason. It could be a very happy reason. It could be that their family is growing, or that they're empty nesters, or that they're moving for a new job. They're moving to be near family, all sorts of reasons. But in any case, in almost every case, there's a reason people are selling. So the time to sell your house is when it makes sense for you. But what we will talk about a little bit is your motivation. Your motivation is your why. And then you need to discuss with a trusted agent and advisor, what the expectations are between the two of you, what you expect as a client to get from your realtor. And a lot of times that's a lot of communication, a lot of information about the market, about the comparables, about the competing properties, and also to talk about any problems that you may have in the condition of your home and what you need to do to get your home ready for market. So I would say you need to be prepared. So if you're planning on selling, possibly this spring, I would say get ahead of it. Think about what your home may need to have done in order to make it the most ready and to appear the best that it can be to a consumer market. And that might be paint, it might be landscaping, it might be even staging your home. And if you have the funds to do this, that's great. If you don't, we have some items for you to think about. And one of those is Compass Concierge. We have a product that will help you get your home ready and give you the resources that you need in the short term in order to pay for those things that you need done. Secondly, is to talk about what's going on in general in the market. In order to sell your home the most effectively, you need to understand what a buyer is looking for and what's going on with them. If your home has an assumable mortgage, if your home has a lot of equity and you can afford to and want to offer seller financing, these are some things to consider in order to make your home more attractive to the general public. But in any case, buyers are getting back into the market. We're seeing a real pickup in the market. And even with the higher interest rates, there seems to be a new normal. Also, I would say talk to your realtor about whether they have in their pocket some great lenders who will offer to refinance your mortgage when and if the rates go down, if you're a buyer. And if you're a seller, you need to talk to your realtor about whether or not they know some lenders. They know some lenders that can help the buyers and the buyer's agent to get them off the fence, to offer to refinance their loan when they need to. Understand staging. Staging and condition are extremely important for how your home will appear to the general market. We find that homes that are well staged, have great photography, and can compete well when people are looking online are going to be the ones that are going to sell the quickest. A lot of times buyers make their decision completely on how a home looks online. If you don't have great photography, then your home may get overlooked and you won't even know the buyers that you're missing. So again, photography and staging are extremely important in order for your home to show in the best light. Again, this is Linda Welsh from Linda Welsh Realty Group. I would love to help you with your sale. If you have any questions, please reach out and I'd be glad to help. Thanks so much and have a great day.